Blue water.
Para sa rifle challenge, ang wounded member ang magpe-perform. Kailangan niyang paputukin ang 4 na lobo ng magkakasunod-sunod.
Take your position.
You are ready.
Yun ang kinakatakutan ko, kuya, kasi nanginginig po yung kamay ko. Sobra, parang sabi ko lang, concentrate ka, tutukan mo, and alalahanin mo yung sinabi ng leader mo. Kasi sabi niya sa'yo, mag-trust ka sa kanya. So, sincere po yung naging trust ko kay Kuya Alger.
Ari na kayong tumumusay.
Nice. Kailangan talaga naming bilisan pa kasi nahuli na talaga po kami sa time na yon.
That was one of the reasons why we fell behind on time. I couldn't get over that wall.
Nalungkot po talaga kami, kuya, kasi alam po namin yung minutong agwat namin sa kalaban, mga Star Gamers.
Ready?
Stop. Ready to embark.
Ready?
Embark.
1, 2. Ready?
Proceed in front and take your position.
Si Fumiya tila may alinlangan sa kanyang challenge.
Flat on the ground from here. Align the rear side.
Stable your body.
Just realize we're wasting our breath. He can't hear us.
Umiya po, naka-contacts po nung time na yun. So, yung wind po yan lakas, tapos nagdadry, tapos gumaganon po yung contacts.
When go there, so nervous.
Sa rifle challenge, hinarap ni Fumiya ang hamon ng kaba at pagkairita ng mata dahil sa natuyo ang contact lens.
And when firing a rifle, you need to keep your eyes wide open most of the time. So I was sort of worried. Dust could have gotten in his eye easier. The eye irritates a lot pag may contact lens.
Just pull the trigger.
So nervous. Pero I get the gun. My nervous is already gone.
Si Fumiya naman po kasi calm naman talaga. Parang tinanong pa namin, if you want us to cheer, ganun-ganun. Sabi niya, no, it's okay, I'm gonna do it.
Continue. Ako pupunot. Kim!
Pang. 4 na bullets, tsaka 4 na balon po yung tinamaan niya po, kuya. The best sniper po, Fumiya ng time na yan po, kuya.
Ocho!
Matatag! Ocho!
Hindi naman yun mahihit successfully if hindi niya inaral lang mabuti at hindi niya familiarize talaga yung proper positioning, yung pagiging stable po ng katawan niya. Humanga po ako sa kanya that time.